Let's take a look at the customer's topic, which has 10 records split across the US and New Zealand teams. Each has an ID, first and last name, email, and so on. Notice address is a nested JSON object with city and postcode inside. We have a Kafka team in New Zealand that needs a filtered and projected version of this topic. They want active New Zealand customers from this year with only the customer ID, first name, sign-up date, and a priority or standard tag based on their spend, with spend greater than 1,000 denoting priority. No email, no last name, and no extra fields. I'm going to use the console so I can filter this topic interactively to see what that filtered view would look like before we create a topic view for it. There's 3 customers that meet the criteria, and that's how many we should expect once we create the topic view. I can define a topic view in a YAML file that the gateway reads. The SQL where clause filters to active New Zealand customers who signed up this year. The select keeps only ID, first name, and a sign-up date, and derives a tier, priority or standard, from the total spend. Email and last name aren't selected, as we wanted, so they never reach the consumer. I can apply it with the CLI or the REST API, and the gateway is ready. I'll apply it with the CLI. I set up a few small helper scripts so I'm not retyping long consumer commands. Each one just consumes from a topic and pretty prints what's coming back. So I'm going to run the first script right now, which is read New Zealand views, which is going to read from the New Zealand view that we made. Now we can see that a Kafka consumer is able to read from this view by name and gets exactly those 3 customers projected to a few fields. The same result I just filtered for by hand, but permanent. Same Kafka client, just a different topic name, with the gateway filtering and projecting at fetch time, without a second pipeline. And reading the original topic, we see it's unchanged. All 10 records, every field, the nested address, still there. The view is just a read time lens over the data, not a rewrite of it. Looking at some other cool features of topic views, we can see that views go beyond a country filter on a value field. Same engine also supports a range of read time transformations. We can filter by environment from a Kafka header, say messages only coming from prod, regular expression matching instead of plain equality, dot notation access into nested fields, and indexing into arrays. And that's just scratching the surface. Today, topic view supports SQL filtering and projection on schemaless JSON, with schema support for Avro and Protobuf on the roadmap. If you'd like to explore further into topic views, you can take a look at the full SQL reference in the Conduktor docs at conduktor.io.